Hello guys, this is Motor International Inc. Today I want to introduce the TM09 travel motor assembly to you. At first, the motor have 14 bolts and all the distance between the bolts are the same, and the bolt on connecting with the sprocket also 14, and all the space between each bolt are the same. I show you the distance, and here they have 4 pipes. These 2 pipes, that's for the oil pipe, and these 2 pipes control the motor for control. And that's the button. So if you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us. You can reach us by email motor@gmail.com. We have a lot of items in stock. We specialize in excavator parts. They have 10,000 of stock items in stock. Welcome, contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.